Today we learn how to write a clean quality code. Whenever you start writing it, remember these points. So the first one is naming a variable with proper keyword. For example, you can see this comparison when you define your function name and the storing variables with related keywords. If someone looks at your code, it will be readable and very easily they can understand what the function is about. So the next one is time complexity. When you are working on a large datasets, use the other data structures like binary search to make your code more optimized, as well as it reduces the time limit exceeded. So the next one is avoid deep nesting. If you are using multiple if statements instead of each other, then you write in this way, it will be so readable. And the last one is writing instead of class. When you want to reuse the code, consider writing it instead of class. By using objects, you can reuse the code as many times you want. By following these points, your code looks well structured and improves your code quality.